You can see that I'm recording, but like, there's like no one here. Yeah. I don't know yeah. I spent $7.32 at the bins and I got a bag of stuff, so obviously I'll do a haul. Okay guys, I've arrived to Makoto. I have to pee really bad, but that's my own fault. Yeah, wish me luck. I don't want the fuck-ass Christmas tree. So, yeah. It's the last one. Okay, guys, I secured my skull panda. Sorry for this weird angle. Let me see if I can back you up. Okay. I got the very last skull panda in the store. Obviously, you guys know the Winter Symphony series. I want Rock On. Rock On is the best one. She literally is giving my energy. I think Rhapsody is cool. I think Ode to Coco and Song of Snow and The Secret are cool too. I really don't want Parita the Christmas Tree or Wanderer's Tune. Please be Rock On. Please be Rock On. I heard that if you blow on it, it's good luck. Ah! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. As long as it's not the fuck-ass Christmas tree. No! It's the fuck-ass Christmas tree! Ugh! I just spent $44 on the fucking one I didn't want. But it's okay. I still like her. She's cute, you know. She's so cute. You know, I feel bad. This is what I deserve because I hated on her. The way I literally drove 25 minutes on the highway to get the fuck-ass Christmas tree, like, it's actually kind of upsetting. I wonder if you could take this. No, you can't. You know what? It's fine. We're gonna embrace her. She is really cute, but like, it's kind of upsetting. I don't know where to put her. I guess on the opposite side of my Labubu. It's still cute. Me trying to like accept that I got the one I didn't want. I hate coming feel like a fish out of water. I don't know how to explain it. I just feel like everyone stares at me. But we're gonna sit at this bench and eat because you know what? I'm allowed to. I don't know why this bench is like on the property, but I'm gonna use it because why the fuck not? I went to Spot Coffee because I want to go see the kitty. My boyfriend lives in this town, so I got avocado toast. I really hope it's good. I've just been like not really wanting to eat meat and stuff. Oh, it looks good. Oh yeah. Yeah. Let's try it. Fuck. It's pretty good. The bread's good. I like how they put seasoning on it. such a nice day. But I've just been eating more like vegetarian. Cemetery, the creator, I've talked about her before. I'm obsessed with her. She actually just reposted me on her Instagram story, which like I fangirled even though it was me reposting her story. But she's vegan and she's really inspiring, so I'm starting out vegetarian. I don't think I'll ever be vegan because I fucking love cheese. I got this Marilyn Monroe picture from the bins today, and it came in the frame, which is really nice, and I love it. It's so beautiful. Queen. I mean, it's subtle. She's got chest dermals. I'm just kidding. It's so cute though. I'll leave it. I don't know. Let's do my Labubu. That took way longer than it needed to. The fact that I had to actually use a needle to pierce this bitch and then stretch the hole. And finally it got through her thick ass ear. It's really cute though. I definitely like that better than the skullpanda situation. I just don't know where else to put it. I guess I could do it on her little right there, but I'm gonna leave it for now. God, I feel like every time I'm filming I look fucking terrible, but it's fine. I'm gonna try on the stuff that I got from the bins today for you guys. I actually realized I didn't get that much at all. Like, I just took the clothes out of my hamper from washing them, and I was like, why do I literally have like 4 things? So sorry, I thought I had more. Okay, so the first piece I got is this gorgeous dress top. I don't really know. The bottom has this like gorgeous lace ruffle trim, and the top does too, and that has a bow. It's super nicely made. I love the way it feels. It's like so soft. And the tag is Jessica. Jessica, you went off. But I don't know. It's size 10, 12, medium. I don't know. But it looks like it'll fit me, so let's try it on. This is so cute. Like, are you kidding me? I'm obsessed. This would definitely be really cute styled and layered and stuff. Or like this, but with like accessories, makeup, and all that. But like, yeah. Okay, so the next piece is this skull black cardigan. The tag, I love the tag. It says hot and delicious, size medium large. Perfect for a cardigan. I love cardigans. Oh my god. Yes, ma'am. And then like the back. This is so cute, and it's so like warm and comfy because I'm definitely like, I wear cardigans and stuff in the summer too, or to work, or you know, so this is really cute. Okay, so the next top I got is this Betty Boop top, and it's so cute. Like, this is probably my favorite Betty Boop item I own. The other Betty Boop items I own, I literally never wear or reach for because they're colorful, and that's not really my vibe. This is definitely my vibe. I prefer to wear black clothing. I just don't really feel confident when I wear colors, so definitely need to list those on Depop because they're just sitting here and they deserve a good home. But this is so freaking cute. I love her. So I got this bodycon dress, and it has like this on the side. I don't really know what this is called. Also, like, it's 9 o'clock at night, so I'm a bit bloated, but whatever. Are you freaking kidding me? I couldn't zip it myself right now, and I will, but imagine it zipped, okay? Imagine some cute accessories and some makeup. You get the vibes. It's so cute. The brand on it is Love Couture or Love Culture or something. I don't know, but it's like a very, like, you're snatched, you know, like, you're snatched. Okay. Then the last thing I got from the bins, besides the Marilyn Monroe picture, are these 2 sweaters for your dog or your cat or your pet. This is literally Mr. if he were an adult. And then this one's just a skull. They're so cute. Low-key, you could also wear them as leg warmers, but I'm not doing that. I'm putting these on my babies. I just tried to put this one on Teddy before I started filming. He's way too big. So, if anything, I'll put this in Turtle, and I'll put this on Little Mister. So I'll definitely be able to go on his little baby cat body. But my camera ran out of storage, but as I was saying, my dad was saying that the dogs are going to be too warm, so if anything, I will just put these on them in the fall. Well, not Teddy, but Turtle. I'm with Pookie! We're going to get ice cream because we love a sweet treat. But she wants to go, so let's put on the tunes. Whoa. Okay. I got blackberry vanilla twist. It's good. I like it. It's good for sure. All you gotta say the night. Feeling so fly like a G6. G6 like a G6. Feeling so fly like a G6. G6 like a G6.